Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shamim Sadiq and my paper ID is 45. Today I am presenting my research paper and its title is Design and Numerical Optimization for High Performance IPM Synchronous Motor using PSO Search Algorithm. And authors are Muhammad Usman Sardar and some authors are also mentioned in slide. Abstract. I introduce you about my abstract. This paper used particle swarm search optimization (PSO) to improve the performance and behavior of interior permanent magnetic synchronous permanent motor यानी IPMSM. There are many ways to optimize motor design, especially from the rotor side, to have optimal geometric placement of the permanent magnet to improve performance. This paper improved IPMSM performance for high torque output capabilities using permanent magnet and high saliency ratio to operate in a wide speed range. The FEA method was used to check the accuracy of the result. Nomenclature. Some nomenclatures are mentioned in slide: RR, RS, RR to RG, and reactance of the rotors, reactance of a stator back iron, reluctance of one half of air gap, reluctance of half of the magnet. These are all its names that's used in paper. Introduction. I introduce you about my paper and my project that was simulation based, not practical based. Today, high efficiency electric motor are becoming the main utilization part in the automobile application and other variety of application. Permanent magnetic synchronous motor, which use permanent magnet to create an air gap, are often the field of choice of the industry owing their high power efficiency, size, high efficiency and power factor. However, torque of motor also depend on the PM size. This article describes the best IPM machine based on torque and particle swarm. Obviously, various permanent parameters such as current angle, golden angle, pole thickness, rod length, rod width, stator resistance, DQ axis, inductance are usually optimized by PSO. Next, IPMSM motor. IPMSM machine come in a variety of configuration. Among them, the tangential magnetic pole motor has the characteristic of a simple structure, high mechanical strength, high current damping ability, and widened speed region, also called the constant power wide speed range. These qualities make it the first choice of many researchers and artists. Consequently, this white paper also defines the configuration of this device to improve the design. Fig 1 show unipolar 6-pole IPM motor with the tangential magnet arrangement. Figure are shown. Next, estimation of the parameter. Some parameter estimation that you use in project and research paper are mentioned in also slide. Next, for the winding of NPH series turns per phase or DA winding factor Kw1, the open circuit EMF per phase is calculated in following equation. These equations are used in this research paper. Maximum value of the permanent magnetic flux linkage are given below. That's written in the slide. Where A is one half of the magnet pole arc angle, D axis inductance and Q axis inductance. Next, some parameters, their symbols and values also mentioned in paper. For example, parameters: stator bore radius, air gap length, bridge width, flux barrier height, magnetic width, magnetic length remains, stationary flux density, recoil permeability, number of poles, frequency, rated current, series turns per phase, winding factor, etc. आगे practice swarm optimization technique, particle swarm. The use of high efficiency permanent magnetic synchronous motor in increasing PMSM यानी particle swarm optimization technique model with accurate parameter are essential for designing accurate control system. PSO is a probabilistic research based intelligence technique that has proven to be a complete and effective tool to solve this complex engineering problem. Improved PSO designs. Kenny and these are some two scientists. They introduced particle swarm optimization technique. They were inspired by studies on fish and insects. PSO water IQ effect is based on the social knowledge exchange between the individuals. Then selected base global variables from the best local variable in the current generation. During the iteration, the velocities and position of the particles in the particle swarm are updated based on their previous position information. Each particle is a possible answer. Next, some equations are described. And the IPM SM motors torque depend on DQ inductance. Next, their results, reference models, search sheet 1, search set 2, optimal results are also mentioned in paper and also discussed in slides. Results are about torque, xp, xq, d axis inductance, q axis inductance, ym, eq, pm length, permanent magnetic width, barrier out height, barrier inner height, valency ratio, etc. Next, constraint magnetic saliency. Optimization has the power to target other qualities by changing the objective function or simply by defining additional constraints. This task can be completed. This case of high P ratio regulation can provide high throwout and speed. Slight increase in PM size. However, the proposed motor still has high PM threshold and a slight higher threshold than the conventional motor. Next, we explain design evaluation. This work optimized the project based on the proposed analysis model for magneto-electric device. By neglecting the resistance of soft iron in the stator and the magnetic model in the rotor core, this error can be justified. In this slide, we tell you about how can we justify our error. Therefore, the motor torque error is less than 4%. Spin error also occurs because iron losses are not considered in the electric model. Finally concluded that this analytical model is suitable for demonstrating the effectiveness of strategic design optimization. And in this slide, we told you about design evaluation of the motor that we use in this project. Next, conclusion. For IPM motor, design optimization is performed to calculate the optimized location and size of the permanent magnet poles for achieving the finalized magnetic size reduction and complex torque. The search for the optimal value of the design is that the magnetic poles should be close enough from the rotor surface. Optimized placement of the permanent magnet depend on the magnetic strength, the stator magnetic permeability, and the rotor soft magnetic material. Thanks to design optimization, the IPM engine can reduce permanent magnetic by more than 34.9% and increase torque by 17.27% compared to the original engine. Design optimization may include other engine features such as significantly higher ratio. This reduces the PM size and increase the motor torque. Finite element analysis was performed on the IPM engine developed by the optimization method to investigate and verify the ruggedness of the machine sample used in design optimization. Finally, we conclude our presentation and thank you. Allah Hafiz.